Hello, everyone. I'm Peter Williams from PBW Cam Media. Today, let's talk about lead magnets and why they are crucial for driving business growth. Lead magnets are irresistible offers designed to capture the contact information of potential clients. Imagine offering a free ebook, an exclusive webinar, or a discount code. These are examples of lead magnets that not only grab attention, but also build an inbound pipeline of leads. Why is it important? Because establishing a direct line of potential customers is essential for growing your business. By leveraging lead magnets effectively, you generate high-quality leads, increasing your customers' base, and most importantly, foster brand loyalty. So take a moment to strategize what valuable offer you can present. Remember, the key is to provide something your audience finds truly beneficial. Let's unlock business growth together with power of lead magnets. Click the link below to see a tool that I frequently use to generate awesome lead magnets.